Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix your Daikin AC beep sound that is not working. So if you're interested, start tutorial. Now if your Daikin AC is beeping or if you hear some beeping sound here, there are a few things you need to do here and you need to know. So first things first is you need to do a soft reset for your AC. So it is recommended that you drain the whole power from your AC. So if you have it, or in this case, if your AC, if in this case, for example, you have your AC here and you have this plugged into your outlet, you want to go ahead and unplug that. Now, if you have your AC directly connected to your breaker, you want to basically turn off the breaker for your AC here. So in this case, this will actually cut the power from your AC, and in this case, it will drain the power itself and it will do a soft reset of the system itself. Now, typically, doing a soft reset here and draining the whole power could solve a lot of issues. That includes the beeping sound that you hear from your AC. Now, another thing you could do here is you could also reset your remote, but the instructions for resetting your remote might depend on what type of remote you have. So in this case, if you still have the manual for the remote I have, go ahead and refer to that and see how you can basically reset that. But in some cases, if you hear a beep from your Daikin AC, there are a few signs that it might be malfunctioning. So just do a quick Google search here, just type in Daikin error code, and you want to go ahead and basically access the error codes section here, Daikin error codes. That should give you this page here, which in this case you can add or select the list of error codes, and you should be able to see all the lists of possible error codes that you may see on your remote. Now, typically the error codes that you see there actually matches a certain type of issue. Like for example, if you see or get a A1 error here, it means that the malfunction of the Ender unit PCB. Now you need to check that and you need to basically fix that. But again, if you are or if you do see an error code here, make sure to take note of that. Because in this case, the next step that you want to do here is to either contact the customer service for Daikin, or you want to basically get a friend or hire someone to actually, or a professional to fix your AC. So especially if you're not familiar with the AC system, get help, because you don't want to break your AC here. But if you're familiar, go ahead and check the error code itself and try fixing it yourself. But yeah, so those are the things that you can do here to probably solve this issue, and from then on you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, or hopefully this video was able to help you, like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.